Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Today we learned how to make this clickable button and this auto visible and invisible button. Let's try it. At first, we design the clickable button for database interface increment and design sheet that we can move by clicking this clickable button. At first we take an auto shape, this one, and we try to make different and attractive than the before one. We change its shape like this, and we change the color like this one, and we go to the format shape and select 3D format, and we select this option, this option, this one, this one, and we choose this one, and here we type edit text database, and we change the color, font color black, alignment center, font size increase 14 and bold also. Okay, we get this clickable button. Now it is only just a auto shape database, and we make copy and paste others 3 button, copy paste, copy paste, copy paste. Okay, and change the name interface, this will be increment, and this will be design list, and then we select all auto shape and right mouse click and select the group. Now we can move together all these buttons, and we decrease the font size 12, database interface increment design list, and we take another auto shape, this one, rectangle, and select increase. Now we cut and paste that we can keep it top. Okay, now we select the color, can choose this color. Again we make them group. Previous group and previous groups and the auto shape. Again previous group and auto shape group. Okay, now we can move all the shape. Now we make the link with the sheet. First select the database clickable button and right mouse click link, place in this document. We select this option, place in this document. Then we select database. We link the database sheet with the database button, and we can screen tips here. Go to database. Okay, then okay. Another select the interface. We already the interface. We don't need to link the interface, and we can cut it. We don't need this button. Only we can keep these three buttons. Ungroup, then decrease the size of auto shape, again group. Okay, yes, and we can copy it and paste here. Then remove the grid line. You can freeze. Okay. We link first it with the interface. Right mouse click, link interface, go back to interface. We get the comments when we take the mouse cursor on the button. Go back to interface. Okay, now when we click this button, take us to interface. Okay, now click yes, we go back to interface. This one no need, we just copy this one and paste all other sheet. Okay, 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 we can freeze it. Same here. Okay, we make other two button link up. This one link already set up, and these two button yet not link up. Okay, we select this button, right mouse click, link, and we select the increment sheet, go to increment sheet. Okay, then this one also will set up the link tips. Go to resign list and select the resign list. Okay, now we set the linkable button like database, go back interface, increment, go back interface, resign, go back interface. Our linkable button. Okay, now we create the auto visible and invisible button here, and we merge cell this two cell same. Okay, now we set a formula here. When increment date and not equal to blank, then this command button will appear here. Okay, first we set the formula here equal to if and if the employee ID equal to blank, then it will be blank. If first bracket open and the second condition here, if increment date equal to blank, then it will be blank, otherwise it will be increment update, first bracket close here. Second, also we can copy this one and paste here, and we change the location resign date. Okay, if employee ID and resign date input here, then it will be visible and it will be resign submit. Okay. Submit. Okay, and when FAR we see the previous one 600001, then 1 we select 2. Yes, when we set 1 1 23 1 1 23, then it's visible here. We can choose like this. 1 1 23 1 sorry 23 1 1 23. Yes, now we see these two tags here. We set the conditional format here, conditional format, new rule, and we select no blank format, fill effect, and we can submit this one and this one. Select this one. Okay, border color this one. Okay, this is increment update button, and we can change this color. We can take home for the new rules. We take the fill color here. Okay, and the font color will be yellow. Now it's looking good. And also we change the border color because border color not visible. Manage border color, not this one. Border color will be this one. Okay. Yes, now looking better. Now we take a auto shape here. This one we can take here. And we set the fill color, no fill, outline, no outline, copy, paste. Okay. Copy paste. You can see 100. Yes. Now it is okay. When we remove the increment date, and increment button will disappear. When we remove the reason date, the reason submit button will be invisible. Now we create clickable button and auto visible command button here. How to transfer the data into the increment sheet and reason sheet on our next video. Allah Hafiz.